Online TV presents Do You Know Solve Quiz. Which fort is known as the Great Wall of India due to its massive stone walls and impressive architecture? A. Kumbhalgarh Fort, B. Red Fort, C. Golconda Fort, D. Gwalior Fort. Correct answer A. Kumbhalgarh Fort. Which fort in Rajasthan is famous for its stunning palaces, intricate carvings, and the Jauhar Kund? A. Chittorgarh Fort, B. Amer Fort, C. Mehrangarh Fort, D. Junagarh Fort. Correct answer C. Mehrangarh Fort. Which fort is situated on an island in the Arabian Sea and is known for its sea fortification and marine architecture? A. Murud Janjira Fort, B. Rajgarh Fort, C. Sindhudurg Fort, D. Bakal Fort.
Correct answer B. Rajgarh Fort. Which fort in Maharashtra is considered one of the strongest forts in the Deccan region and is known for its rock-cut caves? A. Raigarh Fort, B. Pratapgarh Fort, C. Shivneri Fort, D. Sinhagarh Fort. Correct answer D. Sinhagarh Fort. Which fort in Delhi served as the main residence of the Mughal emperors and is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site? A. Agra Fort, B. Red Fort, C. Jaipur Fort, D. Fatehpur Sikri. Correct answer A. Jaipur Fort. Which fort in Karnataka is famous for its intricate Islamic architecture and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site? A. Gol Gumbaj, B. Bidar Fort, C. Hampi Fort, D. Srirangpatna Fort. Correct answer B. Bidar Fort. Which fort in Rajasthan is known for its intricate mirror work and is often referred to as the Mirror Palace? A. Amer Fort, B. Jaisalmer Fort, C. Jaigarh Fort, D. Nahargarh Fort. Correct answer A. Amer Fort. Which fort in Gujarat is known for its grand architecture, intricate carvings, and the Kirti Stambha Tower of Fame? A. Chittorgarh Fort, B. Junagadh Fort, C. Kirti Stambha, D. Champaner Pavagadh Fort. Correct answer C. Kirti Stambha. Which fort in Maharashtra is famous for its rock-cut temples, monolithic sculptures, and ancient caves? A. Ellora Caves, B. Ajanta Caves, C. Elephanta Caves, D. Karla Caves. Correct answer A. Ellora Caves. Which fort in Rajasthan is known as the Golden Fort due to its golden sandstone walls and grandeur? A. Jaisalmer Fort, B. Amber Fort, C. Junagadh Fort, D. Kumbhalgarh Fort. Correct answer B. Amber Fort. Which fort in Tamil Nadu is famous for its rock-cut cave temples dedicated to Lord Shiva? A. Brihadiswarar Temple, B. Meenakshi Temple, C. Shore Temple, D. Mamallapuram Cave Temples. Correct answer D. Mamallapuram Cave Temples. Which fort in Himachal Pradesh is known for its wooden architecture, stunning views, and festivals? A. Kangra Fort, B. Red Fort, C. Sujanpur Fort, D. Nehen Fort. Correct answer C. Sujanpur Fort. Which fort in West Bengal is known for its unique blend of European and Indian architectural styles? A. Fort William, B. Fort St. George, C. Hajar Bari Palace, D. Murshidabad Fort. Correct answer B. Fort St. George. Which fort in Uttar Pradesh is famous for its association with the Taj Mahal and the Red Fort? A. Agra Fort. B. Allahabad Fort. C. Chunar Fort. D. Jhansi Fort. Correct answer. A. Agra Fort. Which fort in Kerala is known for its circular shape, massive walls, and strategic location overlooking the Arabian Sea? A. Bekal Fort. B. Palakkad Fort. C. St. Angelo Fort. D. Thalasseri Fort. Correct answer. D. Thalasseri Fort.
Thank you. Please subscribe channel Online TV.